Hey guys, this is your friendly neighborhood Smarchitect. Hope y'all had a good weekend. So last week I made a video about an interview with Jeff Bezos and Susie Welch and what Jeff Bezos calls an important quality for leadership in his team. So after that, I was going through a lot of interviews and books, and I wanted to get a clear picture of who a Smarchitect is, right? So as I was going through books, an interesting quote from Steve Jobs came into me. So Jobs said, "It doesn't make sense for me to hire a smart person and tell him what to do, right? We hire smart people so they can tell us what to do." Perfect. Well, that is a definition of a Smarchitect. Okay, well, that is a very good definition and a very broad one. So let's focus on specific attributes. All right, I started talking to my clients, some of my friends in the industry, and one of my clients and a good friend of mine, he said, "To me, a Smarchitect is like a Jedi Master." And I go, wow, that is the definition I'm looking for. So what does that really mean? I've quantified 4 specific attributes of a Smarchitect. So the first one I want to talk about is control. Now, I've done this before. When I go to a meeting with business and IT leaders, what is the very first thing that an architect would do? Stand up and whiteboard. Well, if you don't know what the business outcome is, what the requirements are, how can you derive or come up with a solution? So the first quality of a good Smarchitect is control, listening, and paying attention. Be patient. Listen to what your business got to say, right, before you come up with a solution. The second quality, what I think is appropriate for a Smarchitect, is sensing. As you're listening to your business, as you're defining the requirements, you kind of get the sense of where they're going with this. That is the time when you stand up and you start whiteboarding with your business. You clarify the requirements. You think about the business outcome. You think about the technology platform that'll enable this outcome. The third quality of a Smarchitect is alter. As Obi-Wan Kenobi said, Jedi Masters have a way to alter anything, right? So if I think about the context of a Smarchitect, alter here means perception. It is very important that you set the right perception to your users, to your customers who are going to use the architecture you recommend, right? Many a times have had discussion about future state technology or data governance where the common perception is, I don't need this. Well, if you don't, you're losing a business opportunity and which will not be able to satisfy your business outcome. So the ability to set the right perception is very important. And lastly, I feel that design thinking is another important attribute for a Smarchitect, but we'll talk about it in one of our future videos. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you think some other quality is important for a Smarchitect, hit me up in Twitter at @IamSmarchitect or in LinkedIn. Thank you very much.